I love the manner in which that masala has worked its way into the very inside of that pomfret. On the outside, you got this nice reddish brown crust, but on the inside, it seems to be nice and flaky. That's a chunky slab of the pomfret. I like the salty spicing of the fish. That masala has the sour of the tamarind and the punch of the garlic. I like the flakiness of the fish. This is certainly a fish that is quite fresh. The masala is superb in its punch. If you're a sort who's a bit salt shy, you may detect the salty edge of that masala a slight more. But although the pomfret didn't look very big, it's got plenty of flesh, so to speak. Fish is fresh. I think next let's go for some of that prawns. Prawn ghee roast. That prawn is coated in that masala. Super. What I'm a fan of is the deep flavor of that masala. That prawn too is cooked just right. It's got a bit of that moist crunch just to indicate that it's cooked to just the right level. And I like the manner in which that prawn is napped in that masala, is coated in that masala. Also perhaps a slight edge of sweetness I'm tasting in that masala somewhere. I don't know, there's some jaggery that goes in just a little bit to balance the flavors. Can you hear the crunch of the prawn? And what may work very well with the prawn is some of that neer dosai. So, be it that pomfret that's shown in its freshness or the prawns, and even the preparations of the sort that have hit the spot. I think next let's go for some of that bondas, some of the squid masala. Plenty of onions in that masala. That moist, wet crunch of the onion, and then the flavor, the depth of flavor that comes from the garam masala. I'm also tasting somewhere the flavor, the aromats that have gone in. Perhaps some cinnamon, perhaps some cloves. Also the warmth that comes from pepper. The texture of the squid is just right. One bite and it snaps. You know that this is the sort of place that has mastered its preparations over a period of time. So out there they don't do too many things. They do one curry every day. And then depending on the fish that you order, that fish goes into that curry. They do one ghee roast, they do one tawa fry, they do one tawa masala fry, and one masala and one sukka. That's it. And then of course if you want something which is like a little offbeat, then they do things like the chili, etc. Tasting also the flavor. Now the coriander or the jeera that also goes into that spice mix there. So good.